Hello, welcome to the Flu Fighter Workshop. Today we're going to talk about protecting yourself and your family against the flu. Let's begin with writing down any questions you might have for me about the flu, the vaccine we're going to talk about, and the Flu Fighter campaign. I'll give you a minute. Go ahead and get started with your questions. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to introduce myself. My name is Heidi Laird, and I'm married with 6 children. I live in Las Vegas. I love to watch movies. I love to read books. And I really love to bake and cook. And I'm very especially interested in nutrition, have been for most of my life, and in health. So that's why I work with flufighters.org, is to help improve the health of others within my state, Nevada. So go ahead and take a minute with the person you're sitting next to and do a brief introduction, and then we'll get started with answering your questions. All right, so we're going to talk about how you can protect your family this flu season. We're going to talk about the flu to clear up any miscommunication there, the vaccine, and our campaign to be a flu fighter. So let's jump right into the flu. Now, what is the flu? It's also known as the influenza A and B virus, and it's passed through the air and the water droplets of a sneeze or a cough. Is it contagious? Yes, you can pass the virus on before you even know you have it. A person is contagious 1 day before onset of the symptoms and up to 7 days after. So you know you have the flu if you look for the facts. The fever, aches, chills, tiredness or fatigue, and sudden onset of symptoms. So the greatest risks are hospitalization and even death. Young children and pregnant women and adults over the age of 65 are at the greatest risk of flu-related death and hospitalization. And according to the CDC in 2018, there were 79,000 flu-related deaths in the US, and 180 of them were children. And just take a minute to look at this other list of flu-related risks. They can be pneumonia, worsening asthma, heart failure, inflammation of the brain and heart, and sepsis. So as you can see, it's really important for our children and our elderly to be taken care of because they are the greatest risk for getting the flu. Let's move on to your questions about the vaccine. So the vaccine, it works by using dead influenza viruses. It allows your body to develop a recognition of the actual virus without getting sick. So when you do come in contact with a live virus, your body's defense is increased, that's the immune system, and strengthened so the virus doesn't have a chance to survive long before it is killed. So can you get the flu from the flu shot? No. Because it uses a dead virus, you can't. You can't become ill from the flu shot. So this shortened ability to survive makes it harder for the virus to spread to others. In addition, as others are immunized against the virus, their ability to survive decreases further. This is called herd immunity, and it helps protect yourself and your kids and your community against the flu. Herd immunity is especially important for those who cannot get the vaccine or who have weak immune systems. So those who should get the vaccine are babies and elderly and pregnant women. Anyone 6 months and older, actually. So now that we have talked about the flu, let's talk about how you can be a flu fighter. And you do that by getting the flu vaccine for you and your family. It's the best way to protect yourself. It's safe. It will prevent the flu and lessen its duration. And the protection lasts the entire season. So it's super, super important for you to get this vaccine. And of course, there are other preventative measures like hand washing, covering your mouth when you cough or sneeze, staying at home if you do feel like you have those fevers and chills and achiness, and seeing a doctor when you think you have the flu. These are really important ways for us to add extra preventative measures that help the vaccine also. So in summary, we have the flu. It can be minor for some people, but it can be very dangerous for others. And for those people who it's dangerous, we protect them and reduce the severity of the flu by getting the vaccine. And it's safe and it's the best protection available. So as the mom, you are in the best position to ensure you and your family are protected. So you have mom power. Let's all of us moms get together and be flu fighter champions and get our families vaccinated this flu season. So thank you for coming to this workshop. I know that you might still have more questions. You might be interested in helping us spread the word and helping with our campaign. Please go to flufighters.org for more information, or you can email me at my email address here, and I would be happy to help you and answer more questions. Thank you very much.